Good morning mga ka-adventure! Sa video na to, i-share ko sa inyo ang mga random trails na madalas kong pinupuntahan o madalas kong nila-ride ito sa amin sa Moon Talban. Pero bago yon, syempre, linawin muna natin na itong video na to ay para na sa mga newbie na kagaya ko o mga baguhan. Bago pa lang nakabili ng motor o bago pa lang sa mundo ng enduro. Itong trail na ito, kilala ito sa lahat ng mga siklista at mga enduro trail riders. Dahil ito yung daanan nila papunta doon sa mga sikat na mga trail destination nila ito sa Montalban. Itong trail na ito yung packet ng Mount Oro. So alam ko ng lahat ng mga siklista at ng mga iba pang enduro riders natin. So maganda yung trail na ito dahil kombinasyon ito ng ruts, rock garden at banayan na ahon. At dito mo masusubukan yung balance skills. Ito mo mahasa lahat ng mga riding skills na kailangan mo sa trail. Hindi na bago sa akin ang trail na ito. Dahil madalas kami nagra-ride dito gamit yung bisikleta ko. Pero sa pagbumotor, baguhala ako sa trail. Kaya naman madalas ako nag-iensayo rito. O nga pala, ang gamit kong motor dito ay ang KLX 150. At ito na nga ang summit ng Mount Oro. At dito makikita mo napakagandang tanawin pagmula rito. At itong trail naman ito ay ang Mascapuray Wheat Road. At ang kombinasyon nito ay ang gravel, river crossing at malalaking mga rock garden. Dito sa ruta na to, mararanasan mo ang katahimikan. Napakatahimik na lugar ito dahil bihirang-bihira ang mga tao. Sariwang hangin at magandang tanawin mula sa mga ilog at kabundukan.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
At dito nga, meron tayong nadaan ng bagong bukas na campsite. At siguro sa mga darating na araw, subukan nating mag-camping dito. So ngayon, let's go. Ride muna tayo.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
At ito naman ang Tabacuan Trail. Dito yan sa may Sitio Tabacuan, Barangay Mascap. Ito pa rin sa Montalban, Rizal. Maganda itong trail na ito, pero napaka-easy nga lang. Kombinasyon ito ng gravel, flat road, at ng riverside trail. At kumaliwa lang tayo, ito yung Amitira Quarry Road. Mahaba-habang fire dito. May banayad na ahon, paakyat ng quarry. O yung tinatawag nilang bulkan. At dahil nga mainipin kayo, ipapas forward natin ng konti ito. So guys, ito yung quarry ng Amitera. Tinatawag rin nila itong vulkan. Kasi, ayun o, karoon ng tubig kasi dyan sa gitna. Parang crater. Yan, may tubig dyan sa gitna na yan. May hukay tapos may tubig sa gitna. Kaya tinatawag nila vulkan kasi parang crater. Ganda yung trail niya. Gravel. So, ingat lang talaga siya. Ingat ka lang talaga. Kasi medyo dulas-dulas. Masarap. Masarap siya gulungan. Kaya bumaba lang tayo. Para tayo rin sa Pacific. Sure na kasi. Nakagusto na ako. So itong daan ito, patagos ito ng Barangay San Rafael. Dito pa rin sa Montalban, Rizal. So daanan natin dito yung Pacific Crusher. So maiksi lang itong kalsada na ito. Pie Road. Hanggang doon sa may tulay. Bago mag-highway papuntang Wawa Road. So medyo mahigpit yung daan na to. Kasi private na property to rito. So kung magagaling ka doon sa Barangay San Rafael, hindi ka basta-basta makakatagos sa punta rito. At ito pinasok natin ay ang Barangay Balite, Riverside. Ba't ko pinasok to? Wala lang. Madalas lang ako dito dumadaan, nagsushortcut. Napunta roon sa tulay ng San Jose. Maganda naman ang trail dito, Pie Road, maiksi lang. At may iwasan mo yung traffic doon sa munisipyo hanggang doon sa may highway.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So itong trail na ito, sa kabilang side lang ito. So tumuwid lang tayo ng ilog. Curious lang ako kanina, pagtawid ko galing sa tulay. Pasilip ko ito sa baba, kaya naghanap ako ng daan, papasok sa trail na ito. Ang dulo nga pala ito yung likod ng, alam mo yung welcome bago magsigsag, akit ng payatas. Ito yung likod nitong dulo nito. So kung nagustuhan nyo o nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito, pakipindot naman ng like and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Thank you.